Get acquainted with the 2011 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, leather-wrapped steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, running boards, side steps. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.